गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम बेसिक कंसेप्ट एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन देखने वाले हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल drugs possess some desirable physiochemical and biological properties. Drug candidates are often discontinued due to issue of poor pharmacokinetic properties of high toxicity. Their therapeutic efficiency can be improved by eliminating the undesirable properties while retaining the desirable ones. Means undesirable physiochemical and biological properties, poor pharmacokinetic properties, and less therapeutic efficiency. These are undesirable. This can be achieved through biological, physical, or chemical means. The biological approach is alter the route of administration, which may or may not be acceptable to patient. The physical approach is to modify the design of dosage form, such as the controlled drug delivery of drug. The best approach in enhancing drug selectivity while minimizing toxicity is the chemical approach for a design of a prodrug. A definition of prodrug: biologically inert derivatives of drug molecule that undergo an enzymatic and or chemical conversion in vivo to release the pharmacological active parent drug. A prodrug is a chemically modified inert drug precursor, while upon a biotransformation liberates the pharmacological active parent compound. History of prodrug. The first compound fulfilling the classical criteria of prodrug was acetanilide, introduced in medical practice by Khan and Help in 1867 as an antipyretic agent. Acetanilide is hydroxylated to biologically active acetaminophen. Another historical prodrug is aspirin. Aspirin is also known as acetyl salicylic acid, synthesized in 1897 by Felix Hoffmann and introduced into a medicine by a Desert in 1899. The product concept was intentionally used for a first time by a Parker Davis company for a modification of chloramphenicol structure in order to improve the antibiotic bitter taste and poor solubility in water. Two prodrug form of chloramphenicol were synthesized: chloramphenicol sodium succinate with a good water solubility and chloramphenicol palmitate used in a form of suspension in children. Objective of prodrug design. There are three basic overlapping objectives in a prodrug research. One, pharmaceutical objective: to improve solubility, chemical stability, and organoleptic properties; to decrease irritation and pain after a local administration; to reduce problem related with a pharmaceutical technology of active agent. Pharmacokinetic objective: to improve absorption, to decrease pre-systematic metabolism, to improve time profile, to increase organ tissue selective delivery, of an active agent. Pharmacodynamic objective: to decrease toxicity and improve a therapeutic index. To design a single chemical entities combining two drugs prodrug concept. The awareness that the onset, intensity, and duration of drug action are greatly affected by the physiological properties of drug has promoted the emergence of various prodrug. Most of the limitation can be overcome by prodrug approach, but after overcoming the various prodrug approach barriers, the product should rapidly convert into active moiety after reaching the target site. The design of an efficient, stable, safe, acceptable, and aesthetic way to target drug to its site of action while overcoming various physiochemical and social barriers is certainly the utilization of prodrug approach hold a great potential application. Reduction of gastric irritation, for example aspirin masking test or order, it's solved by a chloramphenicol palmitate, etc. Thank you.